Hey, what's good, family? Today we back in the stew with another video. We're gonna get into the Supreme drop list in a little bit. The Supreme drop list been out for hours, bro, but I've been on YouTube watching conspiracy TikToks dead ass all day so far, bro. I'm over here looking at Cardi B glitching and shit. There's a lot going on. Low-key, that's the type of shit I be into when I'm not filming this Supreme stuff. I'm trying to tell y'all, bro, this world is fucked. It's a topic that I've debated on covering on the channel for mad long at this point, and I'm still debating it low-key. I feel like that's some type of content that I'd be excited to film, but I don't know if y'all be fucking with it. All I want to say is don't idolize these celebrities, bro. Don't like follow all these trends, all these people, because there's different intentions behind the scenes, bro. I don't trust none of that shit. Like, I don't fuck with really no actors, no musicians, to be honest. Even if the music is cool or whatever, I kind of try to separate both and keep my ears open to a higher frequency, because when I'm listening to this shit, I'm like, bro, what the fuck are they talking about? One, two, when you look at these music videos, they be looking crazy, bruh. Straight in plain sight. And then you look at these videos where people exposing them, bro, Cardi B deadass glitched like a fucking robot and shit crazy, bro. Like, I be watching this shit. It makes you not be so naive when they try to throw this new at you or some shit. You feel me? Like, you look at it like, bro, really, bro? You feel what I'm saying? Like, I'm not just all gullible and shit. Like, I'm not really about to sit here and believe what they're putting on the news. Like, deadass, a couple weeks ago, there was like 4 or 5, I don't even know how many mass shootings within a period of like a week or so, bruh. That shit is not for no reason. Just know that they're doing that shit because they're doing something around the left that they don't want you to see. You feel what I'm saying? They cover it up with all this other shit that humans tend to gravitate to when they look at the news. You feel me? Like, I used to be a culprit of believing shit that they would say until I realized, like, bro, all this shit is fabricated. All this shit is man-made. I deadass found out today that some natural flavors, when they put that shit on juice, it really has baby fetus in it, bro. Like, what the fuck? Hey, I'm not even gonna talk about it no more. If y'all want to see like a dedicated me reacting to these type of TikToks, let me know in the comments, bro. I'm dead ass, like, if y'all say y'all want it, I will sit down and do it. Like, I dead ass want to do it type shit. Low key, I'm taking a step back from the TV and I'm about to film what I gotta do for the day. But yeah, man, if y'all end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And with all that being said, let's go ahead and get straight into this drop list. Low key, it's looking like it got some heat in it. I'm not gonna lie, there's a couple little sprinkles in there. At the top of the list, we got the Spyra 2 water blaster. This one comes in 2 colors, blue team or red team, blue pill, red pill. All I know is that I did my due diligence and I researched how much one of these guns cost without the Supreme on it. You feel me? And I came to find out that these bitches is $178. Steep, bro. Like, with the Supreme, this shit gonna be like $7,000. Like, we not even fucking with that. It's cool. Low key, it looks like it blasts water fast as fuck. Shit says 30 feet effective range. If you blast somebody dead in their face, you might fuck around and take a piece of skin with you, bro. Like, I don't know. This sounds like the BB gun of water guns. So I'm about to step back from this. For $7,000, I ain't really fucking with it, bro. Like, that's too much. We good on that shit. It is fire, though. I'm not gonna lie. Nonetheless, if I were to get it, I'd probably go with the blue one. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Do I feel like this is gonna have resale? It all depends on what they put the retail at. And I'm trying to tell y'all, shit's gonna be at least $200. We got the Supreme Helinox bench. This one, once again, is probably gonna retail for like $300 to $400. I looked up the one without Supreme branding and that shit was going for $300, so I'm pretty sure they're gonna tax that ass a little bit more. Do I think it's cool? I honestly do. I feel like this almost reminds me of the little benches they be having at the hotels. Hey, this kind of looks like that. Would I get it? I honestly don't think so. If I had like a bigger room or a bigger space, then maybe. Looking at the way that this shit is filling up in this bitch, I don't think I could fit that in here, bro. It just won't work, and it kind of sucks, but it is what it is. This is a fire piece. I don't even think I would pay what retail is gonna be on this item, so I'd probably just take a seat. Is clean though. Let me know what color y'all would go for in the comments. There's the Supreme Shox coming out this week. Honestly, I've seen these on feet at this point. They're not looking that bad, especially in that black. Low-key, they looking like a vibe, like on some shit you go to the store real quick, little cozy fit, you feel me? Going to Target, I gotta get some bacon and waffles type shit. That's what I would cop these for. I've never actually had a pair of Shox, but these do look like a clean pair. I even fuck with the fact that it has Supreme around the little shock bubble. That's something different, low-key. Let me know how y'all feeling about the Nike Shox Ride 2. I'd probably just go for the black. If anything, maybe the silver, but not really, bro. Like, if I can't get these in the black, I would wouldn't even go for them at all type shit. There's the Supreme Pogi Ugo planters. These come in like a small size or a larger size. They are gonna be sold separately. And I was doing my research again, bro. Research Nori in the building. These vases or vases are going from anywhere between $200 and like $700. This might be a dub, bro, unless I looked up the wrong brand or they're getting these shits off Alibaba. I'm not really fucking with that retail. Low-key, I was gonna go for the planter because me and old girl bought this indoor palm tree at the airport in Florida on the way home, and we need to replant this shit. So I was dead ass looking to buy these. So I'm like, yo, let me look it up and see what they looking like at least. Like, I'd pay $80, you feel me? Steep already, brother. If they're not anywhere near $100, it's a dub. I'm not even gonna lie. But yeah, indoor palm, straight out of Florida. Planters literally just have an embossed Supreme logo on it. That's sick. We got the military boonie releasing in 5 colors. I'm fucking with that brown. That's probably the best one on there. Blue is eye, and then the black. But honestly, that brown is looking kind of spicy, especially for summertime. You feel me? You can't go wrong with the little boonie. You going fishing or some shit. You at the beach or some shit. You feel me? Different type of vibes, different occasions for the little boonie. But we also do got the military camp cap. Same shit, different hat. Once again, that brown one is looking pretty good to me, at least. I don't know if I'm gonna go for it simply because I have a lot of hats already, and this isn't something new or something different that I actually would want to try, so I'd probably skip on it. But these are pretty solid, especially in the brown colorway for both of these pieces. We got the Vansen mesh duffel coming out. If y'all know anything about Supreme and Vansen, is the retail prices are normally astronomical, bro. Like, they drop these leather pieces and them should be going for like $2,000 plus, low key. And it's a tradition. Like, they drop these shits almost every other season. We got some more Vansen shit releasing. I could almost look at this Duffy dropping for at least $500 just because it is mesh. If it was leather, this shit would have been like $3,000, no bullshit. But it does come in 3 colors, has a bunch of patches around it, and if I were to go for it, it would honestly be in the black. I just wouldn't even buy this shit. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. There's this hooded twill varsity jacket. This one comes out in 3 different colors. Honestly, if you're not fucking with the black one, I don't know what you're doing, because that's the only one that's at least decent on this one, and even that shit is mid, bro. Like, who the fuck is wearing a hoodie under the varsity jacket that you can't take off? Like, bro, just get a regular vars and get a regular hoodie and wear them bitches separately. Like, ain't nobody wearing a jacket that has a hood attached to it. That's like some 2015 type beat. Like, we good on that shit. Honestly, all 3 colors are kind of ass to me. This is all based on whatever the fuck you like. If you like this shit, then I'm nobody to tell you to not cop this shit. You feel what I'm saying? But for me, this shit is buns. Like, I'm not going for this at all. We about to get past this. There's this washed hand style short sleeve top. This one comes in 5 colors, and y'all know me, bro. I'm fucking with the graffiti 100%, especially on that tan color. Come on, bro. Shit is fire. It's like an everyday piece. It's not on some shit where like it has a big ass graphic on it. It just has a little sewn on, little subtle vibe on it. A more wearable everyday. This is the kind of shit that I've been fucking with lately. I used to love shit like this, but now I like shit like this. It's called evolution. I'm honestly fucking with all of these colors besides the white. Y'all know how I feel about white tees in general. They got a mesh jacket dropping. How does that even work, bro? Isn't mesh the shit that has like the little holes in it? That's like the stripper net material, right? I'm not tripped. They made a whole jacket out this shit. Like, how is that even possible, bro? And the jacket has patches on it. How is that possible? This one comes in 3 colors. I don't know which one is more ass to me. The black one is decent if it's something that you fucking with, but honestly, I feel like if this is something you're wearing in general, you'll probably fuck around and just love the purple. Like, I don't know why, but that one's brighter. I'm gonna stick away from this one. Retail's probably gonna be like $800 minimum. There's the Vansen sweater coming out, 3 colors. The sweater isn't as bad, but it doesn't have anything different on it. It literally just says Vansen leathers, and then on the back it says Supreme. It's nothing too special, nothing too spicy. So honestly, bro, shit is medieval times. Like, it's dead mid. It's another one of those, bro. They got the mesh shorts, bro. Your whole piece gonna be blowing in the wind in this as shit. Like, I don't understand how these work. You got little flame pockets on the back. This look like some shit your mom put on you when you're like 4 and you about to go to the beach and you got the Jesus sandals on with the little over the top. That's what these shits look like. Honestly, we sleeping on them, bro. Sleep. There's the mesh waist bag. They got the whole mesh drip for you, bro. If you fucking with the mesh, they deadass got one item in each category that you could fuck with. And I ain't fucking with the bag still, bro. You got the little flame vibe on the back of this one, little Vansen Supreme logo on the front. It can't save it, bro. It can't be saved. Literally, whatever you put in this shit is guaranteed gonna get wet if it rains. Just think about that, bro. You got a bag that isn't even a bag, really. They need to just let this shit go. Like, you got the Nike Shox running hat. This one comes in 4 colors. And no, if you're gonna get the Shox, just get the black sneakers. Leave this shit alone, bro. They have a flap on this. I don't know who invented the flap on a hat, but that person need to be incarcerated for indecency, bro. Like, who is in their right mind about to cop this shit for whatever is gonna retail at? Clearance special right here, like dead ass. So I'm gonna leave that shit right there. We got these pleated trousers releasing in 3 different colorways, that baby blue and the brown. Honestly, this looks like some shit that you could just thrift, and it makes sense why it's at the bottom of the list. Because if you're buying Supreme, you're not trying to buy some shit that doesn't have like no branding at all. That shirt from before had barely any branding, but it at least had something. These shits just look like some $2 thrift pants. Low-key, last up, we got the perforated stripe warm-up top. The whole theme for this week is straight stripper mesh, bro. This is another culprit. Deadass, you can see your nipples through this one. I don't know if that's something that anybody on here is really about to try to buy. I'm straight on this shit. That was low-key the last item we have for the drop list. There's some solid pieces, but the retails that I'm estimating these to be at, it just doesn't make sense for me to spend $200 on a water gun. That's OD, bro. Like, that's deadass OD. Like, bench is type solid. The Shox in black go kind of hard. If I could cop the planter, I would. Retail on that shit might be too steep for your boy. Yeah, man, if y'all enjoyed this video, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and want to draw more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And let me know what y'all would like to see on the channel coming soon, bro. New content always dropping. I actually did post a video yesterday which y'all should go check out. I was talking about some sneakers that I currently wear, but I was talking about some other shit on there as well, not just sneaker related. If you're trying to watch that, check that out right here. There's gonna be another video right here for y'all to check out, and you can subscribe right down here. With all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.